Welcome to this edition of the Tire Rack Hot Lap. I'm Matt Edmonds, and today we're going to be looking at a 2018 Lamborghini Huracan Performante. This vehicle, true to its Italian heritage, is shod with Pirelli tires, and these today will be using the P0 Trofeo R, the ultimate in a streetable track tire from Pirelli. So Randy, you've got the shoes on the car, let's go heat it up. Well, Randy, Performante, that Huracan looked great out there.
You know what, Matt? I had high expectations because the Huracan is one of my favorite exotic cars. It was fabulous. The Performante is the Huracan all jacked up. It's more power, and it was so fast. It had so much grip. I swear the tire felt like a racing slick, like a qualifier. It felt that soft.
I've talked in the past about the Corsa and the Trofeo and being similar, but the Corsa has more of a street tread pattern, whereas the Trofeo has this really dedicated track look to it.
Matt, it works. The grip was incredible, and that's where a lot of the speed came from.
Yeah. Corners, braking, and acceleration.
Yes, sir.
How perfect.
Yes, sir.
Well, thank you again, Randy. And that's it for this edition of the Hot Lap. Look forward to seeing you next time.